Yawning is something we all do, but its reasons are interesting. Why do we yawn? It's not just because we're bored. Studies show that yawning helps cool our brains and makes us more alert. Isn't that surprising? Yawning can spread easily. When one person yawns, others often follow, which helps us bond. Even animals yawn. Dogs, cats, and fish do it to relax or to communicate. Picture a lion yawning before it hunts. It's getting ready. Yawning usually means we are moving from being awake to sleeping. So the next time you yawn, think about this amazing action that connects us all. Isn't that fascinating?